Hey everyone! Converting your Google AI Studio prototype into a fully functional live web app is the final step in bringing your AI vision to the public. In 2026, Google has streamlined this into a one-click deployment process, but there are a few technical bridges you need to cross to make it professional. Step 1. Exporting and saving to GitHub. We're starting inside Google AI Studio. We're heading to the Get Code or Export button. We do this because Vercel needs raw source files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build your web app. Click Get Code and select the Web or JavaScript tab. You can either download the files and manually upload them to a new GitHub repository, or use the Export to GitHub direct integration if you have it linked. Ensure your repository is set to public or private and contains an index.html file in the root folder so Vercel knows what to load first. Step 2. Importing into Vercel. Now we're heading to the Vercel dashboard, vercel.com. We're heading to the Add New Project button. We do this to create a link between your GitHub code and Vercel's global hosting network. Select GitHub as your provider and search for the repository you just created. Click the Import button next to your AI Studio project. Step 3. Configuring environment variables. We're in the Project Configuration screen. We're heading to the Environment Variables section. This is the most important step. We do this to keep your API keys secret and secure. Look for the section labeled Environment Variables. Add a new variable. Key is API key, or whatever variable name your exported code uses. Paste your Google AI Studio API key here. This prevents your API key from being visible in your public GitHub code, protecting you from credit theft or misuse. Step 4. Deploying and going live. We are finishing by clicking the Deploy button. We do this to compile the code and generate your final custom URL. Vercel will provide a link like youraiapp.vercel.app. From now on, whenever you edit your code in GitHub, Vercel will detect the change and automatically redeploy your web app within seconds. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.